Hi guys, daily we are knowing on some different countries, facts and different personalities in different sectors. But today we are going to know about two persons. Not only rich, they became famous for their simple personality. They are Narayana Murthy and Sudha Murthy. They are India's biggest IT company Infosys owners, founders as well as chairpersons, but they looks very simple and normal. How this company started in a small room, developed as a worldwide largest company, why they became too famous, today we are going to discuss. Narayana Murthy was born in Karnataka, completed his master degree in IIT Kanpur. After that, he achieved a job in IIM Ahmedabad as a research associate. In the early age, he started Saftronics company and that company runs in losses. Then he again joined in Patni Computers and System Company in Pune. On the other side, Sudha Murthy, also born in Karnataka and studied engineering against her parents. She was very brave from her childhood. For example, she completed her engineering in BVB College of Engineering and Technology between 100 boys, and she is the only woman in her class. She faced so many challenges. She got teased by boys a lot, but she concentrated on her studies and achieved gold medal in that college. Later, she achieved job in Tata. She is the first woman to achieve job in Tata. Later, Narayana Murthy and Sudha Murthy came into relation and got married in 1978. At that time, IT sector was developing slowly. Then Narayana Murthy thought to start an IT company. Idea was really good, but he doesn't have enough money to start it. Then Sudha Murthy gave 10,000 rupees to Narayana Murthy, which he was saving it from long time. Apart from this, other 6 of his friends joined with him and started Infosys company. The 6 friends used to stay in USA by working in other companies and sends amount to India to develop Infosys. Here in India, Narayana Murthy was working on developing Infosys by taking permissions for systems, telephone connections, etc. He suffered a lot in developing it. Once upon a time, his friends suggested him to sell the company, but he refused it. He stood alone to develop Infosys. Sudha Murthy also supported him a lot by taking up the family responsibilities on herself. By this, in 1999, Infosys revenue went to $100 billion. Not only this, Infosys created a record, that is India's first company to register in America's stock market. At present, India's tax company GST website is developing and maintaining by Infosys. With this, Infosys developed as the second largest IT company in India. Nearly 2.5 lakhs people are working under Infosys. In that, 37% are women. Apart from developing Infosys, even they are running Infosys Foundation, which was established in 1996. For this, Sudha Murthy is founder as well as chairperson. Sudha Murthy, she looks very simple, but how many of you know that she is one of the richest women in India? Yes, Sudha Murthy is one of the richest women in India. Once, when Sudha Murthy was traveling through train, she saw a girl with torn clothes hiding under the seat. Train ticket collector came and asked her for ticket. She said she don't have. Then the ticket collector scolded her and said her to get down in the next station. Then Sudha Murthy made her to sit beside her and brought a ticket for that girl and made her to study with the help of her foundation. Later, once in US, Sudha Murthy went to restaurant for lunch. There her bill got paid already. Then Sudhamurti asked the waiter who paid her bill. Then the waiter said, "A lady who was sitting beside your table paid your bill." Then Sudhamurti went near her and asked, "Why did she pay?" Then that lady said, "It is a sense of gratitude for which you took a train ticket for me." Yes, the girl who was hiding in train, now she became a highest paid employee in US. This happened because of Sudhamurti. Apart from this, as she faced lot of problems for toilets, she constructed nearly 16,000 toilets for women all over India. She donated 10 lakhs for army officers' family who died in Pulwama attack. And she is spending more than 10 crores for 800 army officers' family who died during the wars. In Karnataka, she is working to construct libraries and systems in all the government schools. During the floods in Karnataka, she donated 10 crores and she constructed nearly 2,300 houses for the people who lost their houses. Apart from this, she used to donate personally to the people depending on their needs who got affected in floods. In Telangana, she donated 18 crores for the construction of kitchen room in Akshaya Patra Foundation where 1 lakh children can have food at a time. She donated 40 crores for the construction of cancer hospital in Bangalore. In this way, Sudhamurti gave donations to so many trusts and foundations. For her sacrifice, Indian government honored with Padma Shri Award and also India's second biggest IT company which was running with full of ethics. Narayana Murthy also honored with Padma Shri Award in 2000 and Padma Vibhushan Award in 2008. Whenever they are free, they will read books and they will spend most of the time in social service. For example, nearly 20,000 books were there in their house. It means just imagine how they read the books in their free time. Apart from this, Sudhamurti is a good and famous author for so many books. If we continue to know more details about Narayana Murthy and Sudhamurti, even a book or day won't be sufficient. In a simple words, Narayana Murthy earns lots of amount from Infosys and Sudhamurti sacrifices it by doing social service. That's all about Narayana Murthy and Sudhamurti, an inspirational story behind them. If you want to know such interesting and inspirational stories, do comment in the comment section. If you like the video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to get the latest notification. And please do support us. Thanks for watching.